Hi, it's just me today. I have no camera woman, but I think I can do this. Today, we are gonna build on our decorated tin cups. I don't know about you, but I made more cups than I even have pencils and pens for. So, I need to find something to put in here. We're gonna put cactuses in there, cardboard cactuses. So, gather some corrugated cardboard pieces, a scissors. I have some green crayons, my black marking pen or Sharpie, and these invaluable little paper scraps. Pardon me. So, what we're gonna do is cut out our base shape for our cactus first. Now there's lots of varieties of cactuses. There's short and squat, tall and skinny, but this is just our base shape. We can build off of this too, and I'm going to show you how. The first thing I'm going to do is cut out my shape, and you can sketch it onto the cardboard first if you want, or you can just go for it. Generally tend to go for it. So it can be whatever shape you want. So here's my base shape. Now to get this to fit on the lip of this can, I'm first going to mark where I need to make my cuts so that it fits on this can. There we go, just two little marks. Now, I don't know about your can, but my can has kind of a ridge in here. It's a little bit thicker. So just a slit is not going to do. So I'm going to cut my slits, and then I'm going to cut right next to it. I also don't want this slit to be too wide. If it's too wide, it's not going to be very stable. So I'm just barely going to cut a little more. You know, there might even just be a little doohickey. Let's see, is that going to work? Ooh, did not work. A little bit wider, but it's better to just gradually get wider and wider instead of too wide too fast. Haha! Look at that. That's just one part. From there, we can cut smaller shapes to build off of this. So, again, you can cut whatever shapes you want. Some of them could be rounder, some could be taller. And I've done the same thing. I've cut another little slit right there. Haha! Here's another little one. Look at that. It's getting there. What if I want something coming out the side? Well, that's not going to work, right? It would work like that, but that's not what I want. So, if I take another piece and stick it in there, then then I can get my cactus arm in there. So it's still kind of wonky, but that's okay. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to color it and make marks to be those pokey things with my black ink pen. And you can be fast with this. You can be really careful with this. Sometimes those cactuses have ridges, and so the way that ends up looking is kind of like stripes. So I have a dark green and a light green, and I can alternate making stripes with dark green and light green. And this, in theory, will end up looking like a cactus, like those ridges. The dark parts are the shadow parts where the ridges go in, and the light parts are the outer parts where the sun hits. Ha ha! All right. Ah! Okay, let's see about this. I'm going to get one more as my little nubbin. And you can do the front and back. You can just do the front. You can, I don't know, you can make them as crazy as you want. You could change it every day. Maybe it's a cactus that grows a little bit bigger. I mean, how big do you think your cactus can get? But I do know one thing. Cactuses often have little blossoms that come off of them. So I'm going to grab, I have this little slip of paper that has a little pink on it. I'm just going to rip it. Again, not the time for precision and carefulness. So I'm just going to fold the bottom a little bit because corrugated cardboard has like these little spaces, and I'm going to cram my cactus flower into one of these little spaces. You could, I suppose, use painted paper, office paper that you've colored. You could use tissue paper. Oh, there's a little one there too. Look at that! Cactus. So have fun. You can make a few. You can make as many as you have cardboard for. I have a tall, skinny one I'm going to work on later. Oh, the ink pen for those pokey things. Almost forgot. So you could do those several different ways. They could just be angled lines. They could be little X's. But just something to kind of make a little pattern. Oh, can you see? I'm just going to go through and make a bunch of little, what are those called? Thorns? Prickers? I don't think that's a technical term. Anyway, that's a quick one, but I think you can have fun with it all day long. So enjoy. See you later.